Hello, scientists! Welcome to the Mixture Magic Show. Today we're going to learn how to separate mixtures. A mixture is when two or more things are mixed together, like sand and water, salt and water, or colors in ink. Filtration is used when a solid is mixed with a liquid. The filter catches the solid and lets the liquid pass through. Crystallization is how we grow solid crystals from a liquid. As the liquid cools, shiny crystals form. Evaporation happens when a liquid turns into gas. The liquid disappears into the air and leaves the solid behind. Distillation is a two-step process. The liquid turns into gas, then cools back into a pure liquid. This lets us collect clean liquid again. Chromatography separates colors. As liquid moves through paper, different colors spread out and separate. In summary, we use filtration for solid and liquid mixtures, like sand in water. We use crystallization to grow solid crystals from a liquid, like salt crystals. We use evaporation for dissolved solid plus liquid, like salt in water. We use distillation to get pure liquid back, like pure water from salt water. We use chromatography to separate colors, like ink. Which is your best method to separate water and salt from a salt solution? Tell us in the comment box below. See you in the next adventure.